What is the Sumsumsore photo from Yanukuna?
Kwasia, see what sort of damn.
I'm your vice president. I am your nightmare. Me mamu see Sumsumsore that the baby children.
What be a new was through Ghana Hanum. Kwasia was sort of a way you would have won. I dance be a bang, and I have a ben or sa, and I legacy bang, and what legacy.
What are we seeing now?
Nako Odifo Acquah with the Ajagurajah to me, the Asori, Painisha Wansa, such a Menantia, Odifo Acquah power say, when I wear Painasha, Menantia, Sabranti be the da, what share a control, who woman also someone in the air.
What is the Sumsumsore photo from Yanukuna?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We got him. Few years ago, like I don't think say bedroom bear for the 10 years in few years ago, and as a branch here Ajagurajah, he got opportunity na okasa a Christopher Muhe. Look at their pastors, look at their prophets. They are always fighting among themselves. The bear one who says Sumsumsore for as for omu ekoda into we have some na okana I say oka edi amoke Christianity and people who call themselves pastors and prophets omu ye juma emma me fancy Jesus Christ na etoda na obehuna osofuwe no osofuwe ko or etoda behuna ebia this prophet any another prophet no omoko on say sa nsamfo toda etimi koso Ghana pa obehu say me fancy prophet we obi aka somebody edi afa me fancy another prophet bi hu behuna emrantie na ti omoko na we etwama we na we so etwama we na no ena Ajagurajah say na odi ebaba be sere me fancy Christians nana asema oba be kan say have you seen say Sumsumsore for Odifo and I say Sumsumsore for also for be ekoda I say or can to just justify Sumsumsore and I just asema opese o kan nyina say Sumsumsore de sa de ma no e bi ntimi nsi da na onyame ncha de onyame de yese ofane boa on to ntem enti abranche kan asasem no one day bi na me follow no say already no makase abranche we me hwe ni videos kura ma hwe almost best 250 videos abranche we from TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, my head videos be brave. Enti me hwe na because who this video nice all braggy and I say me find all boast about Sumsumsore. Enti me pese ye ko na ye ko tie nsema ekoso two Sumsumsore for me no a omo ko abranche Ajagurajah or say what who says Sumsumsore for kuda meaning say according to him no Sumsumsore for intimate kuda then so muma yenko hey adia or say intimacy o Sumsumsore mo no I don't know to say Asia enye between me fan say other Sumsumsore prophets kra eye ono Ajagurajah na or say intimacy no ono any other Sumsumsore asofo na omude aboma say omo kontokapa e social media ho. So let us go and then enjoy it. The message says, and then the first time I open my channel is what kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comment. That means me share be free. Now if possible, so I share my from so now you need to be there together. This channel is dedicated to promoting Jesus Christ and to defend the church. You see, I am an Assemblies of God, but I don't care whether we are Assemblies of God, Pentecost, and I say Presby, Anglican, CAC. I don't care. As long as you believe in Jesus Christ as your only Lord and Savior, as long as you believe the Bible. And yes, Sumsumsore and awesome, and your buffalo be awesome, and yes, maybe now Odia Koshe, me fans there now pop it so, and now we are that's a genuine man of God. This platform is dedicated to promoting Jesus Christ and to defending His church. And if you believe like that now, then this is your channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel. I am on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. I am everywhere, and you can go to any of these friends profiles and then go and subscribe and follow. Now you need to be sure they're together. Thank you very much.
I have some small video for you. Let's watch this video and I have some comments to comment this video. Let's watch it with this some short video.
Now the Orthodox Church is funny here. Kankasa. What is the Sumsumsore photo from Yanukuna?
Yes, settings my Jimmy for Kwasi and Penny Biam, one of you to Sika, Equamoma and Penny for no Aquachiachia. And now, Ubo Bibi, I don't know for chilling. Now, one many Paconi scarce or make a situation in Yano. Hey, Ukurasini, O Jimmy Food, you tree, 9 left watching.
What is the Sumsumsore photo from Yanukuna?
Abraboya Bona, or Maba find a good day on Salmo Yarie, Susu, you to me. na self I claim sikani ane dan krempo na so de dan krempo no omo ti engine wo hana so nyi pop onom asofu Sumsumsore sofo nkwala e banyina ko esa omusisi omo so de dem.
What is the Sumsumsore for me kuna?
I'm your vice president.
Kwasia CC wa so de dem. Self I claim say una ye Sumsumsore efu opani CC wa so de dem.
Etimo Sumsumsore for no amutimi tutum.
Na wan edu to wan mo na to do che Sumsumsore for. Wan mo to do che Sumsumsore for.
That is why I make sure say Sumsumsore ne religion was any people follow.
Eh masa wa Jimmy o. Kachi wa Jimmy o. Kachi wa Jimmy kakra o. Boss.
Now, what are we seeing now?
Nako Odifo Acquah de Ajagurajah timi me di asori panyini hye wonsa se hwe menantie Odifo Acquah power say wo na wo ye panyina hwe menantie se menantie bi ye dede a wo hwere control mo no wo bom na wo so san ho ane kwarare de
What is the Sumsumsore for me kuna?
We Jimmy for Jimmy hey what Jimmy.
When I Odifo Acquah me to come me point to me chija.
You are the prophet I stood when I was leaving. If someone is doing difficulties in the spiritual life, if someone says something, if it's not good, see it to it and call the person in. You should not say that. But what am I seeing? Which noise am I hearing? The suffering we go through before we lifted the spiritual churches.
What is the Sumsumsore for me kuna?
What sort of them on CC what else? Na eboti engine, ne CC on ne peg glasses, ne fashion, what sort of them when you pour yano, abuaba.
Etimo Sumsumsore for no amutimi tutum.
Na wan edu to wan mo na to do che Sumsumsore for. Wan mo to do che Sumsumsore for.
That is why I make sure say Sumsumsore ne religion was any people follow.
You are foolish man. For Jimmy ko shefi.
So ti ase an unni munyansa CC wa sort dem enye settings na wo ya settings mind so ti the one in Ghana also your settings mind azan nyina hene no so ti ase azan nyina no omo hene no abuwapa.
What is the Sumsumsore for me kuna?
Odi a u Jimmy ye no wakura na se wono mo na aya fabra ye so kwasia wo nine left wona ma no ho ntoma bo se boda mu ni eyiye ma ya uponsu ma ye agise yi aba na woni nam yi ase eje nchia abuwa bakura sim.
What is the Sumsumsore for me kuna?
We are said yes ya kaso Jimmy anu Jimmy.
Hwe Sumsumsore eye akuo obi nche obi ase han ade o master o training o tete o and our report to.
I'm your vice president. I am your nightmare. Me mamu say Sumsumsore da me ba bi kire mu.
Enti adifo na mo ye Sumsumsore sheyase Sumsumsore sheyase no for your information mo kote na yesi nkuruma na kwampo mu ntimi manage.
It's okay.
Mu nakedness kwampo mu ntimi manage. Edida nkwala phone so.
What is the Sumsumsore for me kuna?
Mokote kwara mu ntimi manage maba bi manage Sumsumsore for your information obi anya makwala o da muyi obi anya makwala
wo na wo ye panyina hwe menantie se menantie bi ye dede a wo hwere control mo no wo bom na wo so san ho ane kwarare de
What is the Sumsumsore for me kuna?
Kwasia na muti nwure mu ha wo jimi na obi ntimi nka ncho so wo jimi no wadi obi ni nua watam ntafo mienu aboso ni wadi wo mo no.
What is the Sumsumsore for me kuna?
That is why I make sure say Sumsumsore ne religion was any people follow.
What is this?
I would jimure mu wo jimi no. Ya mberesa o. Kwasia wo Sumsumsore ba mu da ben.
Wo na wo ye panyina hwe menantie se menantie bi ye dede a wo hwere control mo no wo bom na wo so san ho ane kwarare de
What is the Sumsumsore for me kuna?
Etimo Sumsumsore for no amutimi tutum.
Na wan edu to wan mo na to do che Sumsumsore for. Wan mo to do che Sumsumsore for.
That is why I make sure say Sumsumsore ne religion was any people follow.
Abortion.
Sumsumsore ba mu da ben. Enye ben yo koni koti sapon. Ene tete yo. O papa kura mpona. Oso ye Sumsumsore difo no. Wentimi antena papa nchen. E ma na anteche. E die ni si wo ne o papa ntem. A papa fa we bold ya.
What is the Sumsumsore for me no kuna?
E die ni si wo no papa ntem. A papa bold ya dome ho. E se tweso na obi wada. Wasi ya be ma jimi fu de ntwi ni. Wanu nsuo se nwa. Ohontoma se kumase bodam ni. Aboa wo de afabra.
What is the Sumsumsore for me no kuna?
That is why I make sure say Sumsumsore in religion I was a nipa follow.
Ewurade Nyankopon.
Na wo so jana de ba do wo so. Jama fo so bi suro Ghana ha. Enwurenwura no nwurenwura manfo ne yen mu bia wo ntimi nwurenwura yen. Ye ni wonu mu bin. Wasi small boy.
Etimo Sumsumsore for no amutimi tutum.
Na wan edu to wan mo na to adu che Sumsumsore for. Wan mo na to adu che Sumsumsore for.
That is why I make sure say Sumsumsore in religion I was a nipa follow.
Wo yale wo wutirimo. Wasinya. Ama fo so bi suro Ghana, obi nsuro wo.
What is the Sumsumsore for me no kuna?
Wo bie nu wo suro wo Ghana hanom. Wasia wo so na wo ye wo nwura mu no. Adansidie ben ana yare ben na wasa ana legacy ben ene wa legacy. Anuafo ne mai ba ho nyina wudi mu nyina ahia so.
What is the Sumsumsore for me no kuna?
That is why I make sure say Sumsumsore in religion I was a nipa follow.
Emma wo fie o nyina wadu mu nyina ahia so. Wasia no de obi nkan o ba be manage wan. Ko manage wo nyina wo se. Kurasi ni be ma. Wanu nsuo se nwa. Watimi ahwe wo fi watimi manage wo.
Wo na wo ye pan na hwe brantie se brantie bi ye dede a wo hwere control mo no wo bom na wo so san wa ne kwara ne de e.
What is the Sumsumsore for me no kuna?
Ansa na be manage yen. O ma yarefo na wa wo mo twafo no a wa wo mo gudem no. So mo yare ansa no be manage obi.
What is the Sumsumsore for me no kuna?
Stupid fool, idiot, bastard child. Wabusu ya funi na apo. Wasiya ya papa wabusu ya funi na abepo. Wabusu ya funi na ayede apo. Uya papa wabusu ya funi abepo. And you will being prince, foolish boy.
What is the Sumsumsore for me no kuna?
Udo ke kwa de matakura mamela. Matakura.
Etimo Sumsumsore for no amutimi tutum.
Na wan edu to wan mo na to adu che Sumsumsore for. Wan mo na to adu che Sumsumsore for. She kwaku. Ti wo de bia
Come to see her.
No so bia so fu bia so da wo puppet so da. Me fam puppet ma dia na ba be wo. O be dey. Nye.
Oba baby bia.
Obi ma sauna se na tie. Bit ma sa so na tie wo. Akoye wade beto ani wu.
Nipa ma.
Oh, so any nipa. Ko me fa woni me woni se me mpa nipa ni nipa. Bo wa no bia wu ato asori fi ho. O wa na problem si wa no bia twa wa no waka obi.
Asi problem si na.
Ewurade Nyankopon. Ewurade Nyankopon.
Pressure.
Sumsumsore ne ye no. Me nka obi asori me kan ye de.
Yeah.
I would like to end here. I have a lot of videos and commit me about the way I was saying other software, the cat software on it or more Sumsumsore for no. Only omo eko omo didi omo hwatem. Na the entire manager sir akokodro no kan sansem na o kan some years ago. Edifa me fan say the prophets in Christianity, pastors and those things, you know. Fan say some years back, no. Oba he bia opambo prophet 1 ebia no ne ebia osubempa ne bia omoko ebia na osubempa ebia no ni we no omoko obi nim no ni we ko enti those were the time na obi bi sa no sa question na a man utimi kan sansem we about Christianity, no. He didn't know say a time is going to come a deep for na omuto so what Sumsumsore, no. As for me there I know say omu ye akonfo like omu ye fetish priest na omu the Bible atoso it is a deep for na omuto Sumsumsore, no. He didn't know say time is going to come or no any bimu beko. On said the piano, ye can say obi afie no entomago ho so obi afie no nenso ho. Some people will point accusing fingers to others and then they will leave theirs. Say asembi esi ewo me fa de kitusumu a bohuna other religions, no. Sumsumsore ne me fa de kremofo no bohuna omo kan omo dia no de hey look at them, look at the Christians, they are fighting among themselves, they are killing themselves. But ebi koso omo horm no ebi koso omo so side, no. But nobody knows. because they don't bring it out. But me said make an Mashesa Acquah way Ajagurajah. Me share no crowd Maheno over 250 videos. It no say be a waka bia no minim. It is a okay bibi fufro bia meko no makoyi old one na mediaba. On sana or sere Christians na or ka say oh look at the Christians, they are always fighting among themselves. Will you ever see two Sumsumsore prophets fighting? Today we have not seen two, we have seen more than two. And yet even among other Sumsumsore prophets and omoku ayo no Ajagurajah no obeka say Sumsumsore for prophets will never fight and as can never fight no. And ono no ni among for Acquah udidi among for tem no.
Now the Orthodox church is funny ya kankasa. What is the Sumsumsore for me no kuna?
This is what I wanted to share with you. I want to take this opportunity to say, Yeruna ye ekristofono. Ye bibia na ye very careful because say if you are no ensa so yemu ana say ade bia na ye no say ono yonko sofo ko udidi yonko sofo atama. We are giving grounds to this if you are no say omuntimi enye bi emfa kan fire ho omuntimi enye bi emfa didi atem. So it is time for us to look at this and fight it so that so we be crampo ye obonia adana yentimi enkoka no me fanza kokuom because that is what Jesus Christ said. And so mo asofo ya mo na mo sia se mo ye asofo no unua ye obonia untimi mfre no mpo enkoni nchen mpo entu nipa mpo enkan ho se mo kọ akokata asem no mo ba betra social media na we tuma we na we so tuma we even professor me pe o masem no omo ba abonten na we abeto ma we na we so ato ma we enuti no ema wiasefo no enya bi kan ema Ajagurajah enya bi kan but asedan kan nyame say asem na ebo na oto edibo ye no those of us who are Christians no and then somebody bia they say eto ebro no then you know that is why I made this video. So share this video to others, save this video. Na you who say we have to defend Jesus Christ. Now if you are Sifono and Kramofono Abosumfono, they are doing worse things. What is happening at their end, you know, are even worse. Ajagurajah na say when the two omo drew change to sorry for.
It's more sorry for no one to me to tomorrow.
Na when the do to one mo the two do change sorry for. One mo the two do change sorry for.
O Kristo ni papa bay sofo papa bay e de beto ni yonko sofo edro. Sofo papa bay e de beto ni yonko sofo edro. Odifo papa bay. Ezo say when mo the two omo ho edro change to sorry. Asofo for. Ye nyina dem say akonfo de to omo ho edro mi boa. Malamfo e de jujufo edosifo e de to omo ho edro. That phrase, you know, it is only used in the traditional sense. It cannot be used in Christianity. We only pray for others. This is what I had to share with you. I want to believe, sir, you have learned something today. This is just a comical video. So thank you for your time. Now, best say, if today is your first time visiting my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comment. Now, if possible, so I share my fufro. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when I post any new thing, alert. Until we meet again, take good care of yourself, stay away from trouble, love the Lord Jesus Christ with all your heart, and love fellow human beings as yourself. Don't forget that we have the name of Christ to defend. We have Christianity to defend. We have the Bible to defend. So if that is what you seek to do, then this channel is for you. Let us defend Christ together. Thank you very much. Bye.